This is very, very interesting. These are the taxi drivers. They're all waiting here for to ride. They're waiting to hear on the app. What's the name of the app? What's the name of the app?
R150 All-Star Nation.
What's the application?
Cebu City and Docks.
Andox. The application's Andox. And all you guys wait to hear on Andox. You wait. And what do they charge? What do you charge to go on motorcycle?
We have R150 or Suzuki Raider, or today we have charity ride.
How much? How many peso?
Person, almost 130 person.
130 peso. That's
30.
$2. 30 peso. 30. How? 30 peso. 60 cents.
Yeah.
How far? How far you take for 60 cents?
It's like 3 months.
2-3 blocks. How much for 1 mile?
1 mile is 1 kilometer.
How much for 1 kilometer?
It's in Emol, beside LTO South.
Approximately how much 1 kilometer?
1 kilometer almost we ride there almost mga 2 hours.
2 hours. How much 2 hours?
2 hours is...
How much do I pay you if I want to go 1 hour ride? 1 hour ride. How much?
No, it's already free. It's free.
Free? No, can't be free. How much does it cost? How much does it cost to go with you guys? No, anywhere.
Yeah.
How much for 1 kilometer?
We said how much kilometer. We also got 1,000 meters. 1,000.
1,000 peso for how far? I don't understand. Annie. How much does it cost? Ask him how much it costs to go 1 kilometer.
Colon?
How much for 1 kilometer ride on the motorcycle? Yeah, how far?
Unsa daw sa manang pila daw ang bayad sa kilometer? Sa kayo?
Right?
Kana pagka lang no sa angkas. Sa angkas. Unsa man?
Taxi!
Regular lang.
Masasang padung maksa. Ikan dire.
My motorcycle like this.
How much? A club? I want to join your club.
Yeah.
I want to join.
You want to join?
Only Hell's Angels. You know Hell's Angels? You don't know Hell's Angels? Devil's Disciples, Hell's Angels. You know Devil's Disciple, Hell's Angels?
Okay.
House Angels.
You know Hell's Angels? No? It's America. We have Hell's Angels in America. Thank you. How much does it cost? Did you know how much it
It's
costs?
not having angkas.
He doesn't understand.
It's not angkas.
What?
She's not having an angkas.
What's that?
He's told, does not understand.
He doesn't
That's
understand.
yeah.
Okay. That's a beautiful little motorcycle. Suzuki
Yeah.
Raider. That's a nice little bike. Look at that.
Having
Just
a
thin
rider.
wheels.
Is having a rider in Cebu.
Oh, he's got a Raider. He's gonna get going.
Yes,
He's
the
getting
Cebu
going.
chapter is the name of the
What's it called?
Cebu chapter.
Cebu chapter? Oh, this is a motorcycle gang?
Yeah, it's a gay motorcycle.
Oh, it's a motorcycle gang. They're not taxi drivers?
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, I thought they're
That's
taxi
another.
drivers. Oh, this is a motorcycle gang.
Yeah, motorcycle gang. Starting in New
Oh, I thought they were like taxi drivers. Okay. Oh my God, I feel so stupid. That's a motorcycle club.
That's a motorcycle club.
Like and subscribe.